I'm Delgado, and I play the drums in Cached and Purging Paradise. I'm 27 and I've been playing drums seriously for about 12 years. I've had them around and I've been involved with music most of my life, but seriously playing for 12 and been playing live gigs for about 6 or 7 now. I use the Collision 5A standard length drumstick. Absolutely fantastic drumsticks. I love them because they're durable. I love the customer service that Collision has to offer, and above all, the community. The drumming community and the information that we can all share with each other is fantastic. I absolutely love this company. So I'm going to play a song for you guys with my band Cached, and the song is called Start the Torture. Hope you like it. Thank you so much.